Did you know that according to recent traffic data, nearly 30% of drivers will be involved in a significant accident every decade? That's a staggering number, and when it comes to insurance claims, it often turns into a he said, she said nightmare, unless you have an unbiased witness. Today, we're diving into the absolute best dashboard mount cameras on the market to ensure you're never left unprotected. We are comparing everything from budget-friendly 4K beasts to full 360-degree surveillance systems, breaking down their real-life usability so you can decide which one fits your driving style. All the links are in the description, so stick around to see which dash cam is going to become your ultimate road companion and save you thousands in potential legal fees. 6. PRUVEEO 360-degree View 4-channel dash cam. The PRUVEEO 360-degree View 4-channel dash cam is a total game-changer for anyone who feels like a standard front-facing camera just isn't enough. Imagine having a system that acts like a digital fortress, recording the front, rear, and both sides of your vehicle simultaneously to eliminate every single blind spot. This is purpose-built for rideshare drivers and security-conscious commuters who need to see everything happening inside and outside the car. It utilizes four 1080p Full HD lenses that provide a level of comprehensive coverage that traditional dual-channel cameras simply cannot touch. One of the standout features here is the built-in GPS logger, which tracks your real-time speed and route, crucial evidence if you're ever wrongly accused of speeding. It also features Wi-Fi for seamless phone integration and an infrared-equipped cabin camera with an f1.8 aperture that delivers surprisingly crisp night vision, even in a pitch-black interior. In real-life scenarios, this all-seeing capability is invaluable for documenting side impact collisions or those tense interactions at the driver's side window. While the build quality feels incredibly sturdy thanks to a supercapacitor that handles extreme heat and cold better than a battery, keep in mind that a four-way setup means a bit more work with cable management. Let me know in the comments. 5. Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD Dashcam. If you are looking for that classic, high-definition clarity without a massive price tag, the Rexing V1 4K is likely calling your name. This budget-friendly powerhouse is perfect for drivers who want to ensure every license plate and street sign is captured in true 4K resolution. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens and wide dynamic range (WDR), it balances exposure beautifully, making daylight footage look professional and sharp. It uses a supercapacitor for long-term durability, which is a huge plus if you live somewhere with blistering summers or freezing winters where standard batteries tend to fail or swell. You get all the essential safety features like loop recording and a G-sensor that automatically locks your footage during an impact, so you never have to worry about an accident being overwritten. While it does have Wi-Fi and a mobile app for downloading clips, it's worth noting that the app can feel a bit slower and less polished than what you'd find on a premium unit like the Vantrue. The design is a low-profile wedge that hides discreetly behind your rear-view mirror, although you should be careful during installation because the adhesive mount is permanent and doesn't like being moved. When you stack it up against competitors like the Viofo A119, the Rexing V1 really wins on the 4K value proposition and pure reliability, even if the software feels a little dated. I'd love to hear your thoughts. 4. Antika 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay dashcam. The Antika 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay dashcam is a fascinating hybrid that completely changes your dashboard experience by combining a 4K camera with a full infotainment system. This isn't just a dashcam, it's a massive screen that brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to older vehicles that lack modern tech. The front camera features a 360-degree rotatable lens, allowing you to capture the road or flip it around to record the cabin, making it incredibly versatile for families or Uber drivers. It even comes with an IP65 rated 1080p rear camera that doubles as a reverse guide, giving you a massive display to see exactly what's behind you. You can navigate with Google Maps, stream your favorite music, and use voice commands via Siri or Google Assistant, all while the device records your journey in the background. While the screen is beautiful and large, some users have noted that the wireless connection can occasionally lag, and the camera quality, while labeled 4K, isn't quite as sharp as the dedicated lenses on the Vantrue or BOTSLAB units because it's trying to do so many things at once. Compared to other budget CarPlay screens, like those from PRUVEEO, the Antika stands out because it prioritizes the camera features more heavily and offers a larger, more responsive display. Let me know what you think below. 3. Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam. Now we are moving into the heavyweight territory with the Vantrue N4 Pro S, which is widely considered one of the most advanced 3-channel systems available today. This unit is built for the driver who refuses to compromise on quality, featuring a 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and a 1080p interior camera to ensure there are absolutely no blind spots in your record. What sets this apart from the PRUVEEO or the Rexing is the integration of triple Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, which provide industry-leading daytime clarity and incredible HDR performance. This means that even in difficult lighting, like driving into a sunset or through a dark tunnel, license plates remain legible and clear. It also features infrared night vision for the cabin, so even if you're driving in total darkness, the interior footage looks like it was filmed in broad daylight. The feature list is exhaustive: GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast transfers, voice control, and a buffered parking mode that monitors your car 24/7. It even supports up to a 1 TB microSD card, which is essential if you're a long-haul driver or doing extensive rideshare work and don't want your footage looped over too quickly. When compared to the Viofo A229 Pro, the Vantrue feels a bit more rugged and offers a waterproof rear module that is built to last. Drop a comment and let's discuss. 2. BOTSLAB 4K dashcam front and rear. The BOTSLAB 4K dashcam is a sophisticated dual-channel system that strikes a perfect balance between high-end tech and user-friendly features. It utilizes a Sony IMX415 sensor to deliver true 4K video from the front, paired with an enhanced 2K resolution rear camera, giving you much better rear view clarity than the standard 1080p found on the PRUVEEO or Antika models. One of the unique selling points here is the Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, which provides alerts for lane departures, potential forward collisions, and even fatigue reminders to keep you sharp on long trips. While ADAS reliability can vary depending on road conditions, it's a great extra layer of safety to have in your arsenal. The built-in GPS logs your speed and route data perfectly, and the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is significantly faster than the 2.4 GHz bands found on cheaper models, making video transfers to your phone quick and painless. It's powered by a supercapacitor for extreme temperature resistance and offers a 24/7 parking mode if you use a hardwire kit, ensuring your car is protected even when you aren't around. When you compare it to the Viofo A229 Pro, the BOTSLAB actually offers a broader lens coverage at a more attractive price point, though it sits just a step below the Vantrue in terms of raw sensor performance in extremely low light. It's a fantastic middle ground option for someone who wants the smart safety alerts of a modern car, combined with the high-resolution recording of a premium dashcam. 1. IIWEY 5 4-channel dashcam 360 degrees view. Rounding out our list is the IIWEY 5, a powerhouse that delivers full 360-degree coverage through a dedicated 4-channel system that is surprisingly affordable. Much like the PRUVEEO, this system is designed to record everything, front, rear, and both sides, giving you a complete spherical view of what's happening around your car. It features 4 1080p cameras and a whopping 8 infrared lamps for night vision, making it an absolute beast for nighttime security and interior monitoring. This is the ideal setup for rideshare drivers who want to ensure they have every angle covered for their own safety and insurance purposes. It includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi and easy app control, allowing you to quickly preview or download footage without fumbling with cables. One thing to keep in mind is that the IIWEY N5 does not have a built-in GPS, so if logging your exact speed and route on the video is a deal breaker for you, you might prefer the BOTSLAB or PRUVEEO instead. However, they make up for this by including a free 128GB SD card and offering a very competitive price for a 4-camera system. When compared to high-end models like the Vantrue N4 Pro S, you are trading off some of that 4K fine detail and ultra-low-light sensor technology for the sheer volume of coverage provided by 4 different lenses. So there you have it, 6 of the best dashboard mount cameras ranked and compared, from budget-friendly 4K options to full 360-degree multi-channel setups. Whether you're a professional driver needing total cabin surveillance or a daily commuter looking for crisp 4K evidence, there is something on this list for everyone. Which one fits your driving style and safety priorities the best? I want to hear your experiences. Have you ever had a dash cam save you in an accident? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and check all the links in the description to grab your favorite dash cam today. Your car deserves eyes that never blink.